Make a fantastic card for your dad on Father's Day. To make a Love You A Latte card for your Father's Day card, it's a bit silly, this one, isn't it? But we get a piece of paper. This is A5, and I'm getting the corners together there. Hold it down with your thumb, and then press across there. And you can use the back of your nail to really make sure that's nice and crisp and bent and folded over like that. Now I'm going to use a pencil to plan this out a bit. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to have Dad sort of up here, and then we want our mug around about here. So I'm going to draw an ellipse. Now I'm drawing very gently so that I can erase this later, and I'm going to maybe make it a little bit more on this side because we want to fit the handle in. And then we'll bring it down a little bit in a sort of coffee mug shape, and then a curve at the bottom, something like that. Now that we've got that curve, we can put Dad in there. So let's put D, A, D. And I'm going to start up here, down, and then we do just a normal kind of D like that. And then we want to do another D inside it, just like that. And here the A will start with a little bit flat on the top and come down there like that, and across, and that will come up and across and down to join there. And then here we're going to want a little triangle, and we'll want another D, and we'll go all the way around, and then we want another D in there like that. Now we're going to try and be super cool now by drawing a little line all the way just around the outside, and this is not easy. So you're allowed to turn the paper around as you go and draw from whichever angle is just the easiest for you, that feels right. And this is just going to make it a little bit easier. So we'll draw down the side there and across the top, and then we're going to want to come across and join up there. Okay, so this is an outline. It could be an inline. It depends which way you're looking at it. So eventually it becomes what's known in the type of the lettering world as an inline. So the first one that you drew actually becomes the inline, and this is the outline. And we're going to draw just carefully around there. Yes! Whew. And then we're going to draw a curve coming all the way around like that. And then we're going to draw down to the bottom like that. And then we're going to join those two up at the bottom like that. And then to get the feel of the thickness of the china, we're going to draw a circle just sort of on the inside there. And you can make this sort of come away into little dots up at the top there, just to make it kind of look a bit thinner. And then you might want to just practice this line with a pencil. So this is going to be the level of the coffee itself, and we want that to be just a little kind of frothy, so not quite such a smooth line like that. And this is where it's going to get tricky too. So I'm going to draw a pencil line across the middle, and then we're going to want this sort of heart coming like that. So look at it this way. If that's vertical, look at it sort of coming like that way. And we're going to have the swirl of the coffee coming around. Swirl of the coffee coming around, making the cappuccino heart like that. Like they do, those fancy coffee baristas. They do that all in the top of the coffee. And then here we might want to have that coming just a little bit dotting there. This will come around just to dot away there. And then we're going to want a handle. So draw a handle like that. That's going to come up like that. And then we'll have another one coming down there like that. And then we're going to draw Love You A Latte. So we're going to have love. You can have a heart there if you want as well, just to have too many hearts in. Love you a latte. And in case you don't get the joke, it's meant to be love you a lot, but it's like latte is a type of coffee. And I think we'll make this a bit easier on ourselves and just have this a nice, simple, easy, thin line typeface. Love. But if we get it nicely on these curves, it'll give a shape to the mug as well. Oh yeah. Now look, go down there and click that subscribe button and keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos. Or you can go to drawstuffrealeasy.com and you can get all of this advert free, plus lots of extra images to help you, and you can get them on the app. Join in, chat, all sorts of stuff. Get a parent, teacher or guardian to help. And then I'm just going to draw this little loop around there like that. So this is going to be the shadow. And I'm going to put lines going across like that, filling in this space. I want to make this quite sort of neat, really. And we'll put some down there like that. And I think we'll have some little shady things in there as well. And I think we might need some little bits of shade in there. So this is kind of following the curve around like that. And you can maybe put some extra dots in there if you want, like that. And then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And your dad is going to go, how did you draw that so well and so accurately? How did you get the letters in the right place? How did you get it to fit so beautifully? And you'll go, well, you know, I'm a genius. Now, I think all we really need to do is to have some bits of sort of heat going off like that. And going off there like that too. Now, if you want to make this really cool and coffee-like, what you can do is put some lines in here. So I'm going to start with that one just across there so that I can see where to fill those in. And I'm going to draw across like this. And when I get to about halfway, then I'm just going to go off into shorter and shorter lines. Shorter lines, dot. Okay? And that's going to give you this kind of weird kind of coffee, you know, the kind of thing that you find on a coffee jar or a packet or something like that. So we'll draw those lines in across there like that. Want something like this again. So that will go across, and let's do those bottom ones there. That will go across. And then when we get to here, shorter dot. And we get to about there, and shorter dot. And then on the inside, we can go happy. And I'm doing a strange A here, like, which is just a curve and a little balloon on the end. It looks like the kind of letter A that a printer will use in a book or something like that. Happy, I was about to put birthday. Happy Father's Day. F again, look, a curve and a balloon. Father, apostrophe. S, because it's the day of the father, so it's a possessive apostrophe. And then we want D, A, Y. I'm going to put an exclamation mark in too, and I'm just going to fill these little spaces in with whooshes like that, just to make it look a bit more exciting. Then all you need to do is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy before you give your fantastic new card to Dad on Father's Day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.